Welcome back to Jamie Tech. In today's video, we are going to surprise you people how quickly you can make money with Fiverr and Upwork. It's only a single month progress that I'm going to show my earning on Fiverr. I mean, most of the client have paid me on Pioneer, and some has paid me on bank account, or they just I'm going to show you the Pioneer and the Fiverr earning. Right, so this is what the title would go on here. Do you have any services to sell online? Right, but just leave it. I'm going to show you my earning right now. But there's one awful thing that I would like to share. I just look at this. I have requested multiple times. Right, I have completed the task for this person, and stuck. I shared the task, and this is one of the plus point, and please note it that never ever share the work. Just share the sample of the work you done. Never share your file with the person, with your client, before they pay. Right, just tell them to pay you before, right, then share the original file. Now I'm going to complain or something like that. The main thing is that I'm stuck, right, and it is a $40 or $50. It's not a big. So here's my earning. My gigs. By the way, let's go here to the earning. It's a single month progress. You won't believe I haven't started it. Come on, go, let me show them. Wait, it's not working here. Maybe let's see here. Look at this. We have earned $180. It's in a single month, right? And most people say that just online and never get orders. Just stay online, be patient, you will get. Have you ever think about it yourself that what is your showcase? What have you put in your showcase? Do you have more things? Do you have something unique? Do you have something skillful? I mean, have you worked before on this product? Have you showed something related things? So this is my earning for this month, right? And we can go for the Pioneer. Most of the client paid me on Pioneer because as you know, Fiverr Fiverr, just they cut some taxes. I mean, I think there is 10% tax on each order. So I always just tell them to pay me on Pioneer, and here we go with Pioneer. Let's go to the full view. Come on, go ahead. More, show me more. Look at this. One person has paid me on Great Phone. Look at this. And don't go there. This is what. So I have received everything from there. Just transfer to my Cash and that bank, right? So I have earned, alhamdulillah, almost $600 in a single month. And here this person, again I'm just coming back to this person, La Habret. Okay, so what do you have to come back to the title. No, do you have anything to sell? I mean, do you have any services to provide, to sell online using Fiverr, Upwork, something like that? So the most important thing is the question: do you have any services? Then you can just click on the below link I have shared, or join the Fiverr and get money through Pioneer. But the most important thing that I would like to say is that never ever share the original file until they have paid you. Just point it out. I'm stuck. I have showed you, and I'm just requesting and pleasing, man, pay me. Just note it. So it is my 1 month progress I showed you. So you don't need more, just make some gigs. Let me show you some of the best gigs that I have made. As you know, I was developing application for Apple devices, and I have just add some. This is not a one that I would like to show. Here we have, I can write SO description for App Store and Play Store, iOS and Android, both. I can do that. And just one more point I would like to share with you people: never ever put a gig related to upload application to App Store or Play Store, right? Because I have been just I have been just deceived by someone, right? They have just, my account has been war gaya. In Urdu we say that my account has been war gaya by someone, because I have uploaded their application on my own console. Never ever upload someone else's application on your console. That's the point you should know. So what I can do is add mob aids and Firebase in your iOS. I'm telling the client that I can do this work in UIKit, Swift UI, and Flutter. And one more thing, I can also fix bugs, right? And if you go there, I mean, I will just go develop native iOS apps in Swift and Swift UI. Just look at this title, but just go inside. Let me just review it. I mean, it's really money. Title doesn't matter. Let me go to preview. There's more important thing. Come on, where I have been gone, right? So this is my showcase. If you look at this, I have shared my previous work. I can do this kind of application development. You can see, and here's I have my own application that is live on App Store. Demystified. Never forget to to download it, install it. And here my all application that I have developed. And here what I can do, here's my all application lives on App Store Connect. So you must have to just upload some related picture so that people can so that you can attract people. That's great. And here's my packages, and they're so lover. One more important thing that you need to note is that you have to search some related gigs, then keep your price lower than there. I mean, maybe just 1,000%, right? So that you could get into the market easily. So what else we can do? I think we have nothing. That's it for today. Develop native iOS application, we did it. And one more gig we have here: integrate sign in with the people. I can do that work as well, right? Aid in-app purchase and subscription, and I have completed many projects there, right? Others, almost 2 or maybe 3. And I have many. I just look at this. Some has no clicks. No, it's okay. Don't worry. I think the video is going to be longer. That's it for today. I'm going to share the Pioneer link and the Fiverr. You can join in from today. Build your skill. Sell your skills. Goodbye. Thank you. It's great to hear. Please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye. We'll see you later. Bye.